everyone, I'm Rebecca. Welcome to Rose Victoria's Kitchen. I'm going to give you a product review on JetsonJupiterKickScooter. You will have a user guide inside the box. Instructions for folding, unfolding, assembling, and using the brakes are given. Now we are going to assemble the handlebar. Make sure you are fitting the handlebar properly. Now we are going to unfold the scooter. For unfolding, open the locking lever. Then loosen the knob. Once it's straight, tighten the knob. For folding, just loosen the knob. Lift the lever to fold. To adjust the handlebar, open the clamp and press in. Lift the handlebar. There are 3 levels for height adjustment. To stop the scooter, press the rear wheel. Now we are going to the fun part. Open the battery door in the bottom of the scooter. Add 3 batteries for colorful LED lights. Click the red button to change the light's pattern. Need to click it so hard so that it can stop. See, that's how we can do it. Now, do you see, it's so shining and beautiful on this dark. So, whoa. Yeah, that's how you can change just clicking the red button. You can stop at whatever color you can choose. So if you ride, look how it's so beautiful. If you want to put the rainbow color, you can put the rainbow color. If you just want to change color, it'll be so beautiful. If you do it, it'll be so beautiful and awesome.